Welcome to your practice. With regular use, this practice will increase your body's overall sense of ease and safety. If your mind wanders, simply bring it back with no judgment. If you fall asleep, that is actually a good sign that your body is bracing less and moving toward increased regulation. You will still benefit from the practice. Today you'll be sensing into your shoulders and hip bones, and kidneys and adrenal glands. And at the end of the practice, we will take a full 2 minutes of rest. Taking a moment to settle in and arrive. You can choose to keep your eyes open or closed, inviting all the cells in your body to follow gravity down and land right where you're at. And with your permission now, holding in your awareness both your left hip bone and right shoulder. Just sensing into your left hip bone and right shoulder. And adding to this a sense of opening through your heart. And through your lungs. And now holding in your awareness both your right hip bone and left shoulder. Supporting your right hip bone and left shoulder. And adding to this again, a sense of opening through your heart. And through your lungs. And through your diaphragm just under your lungs. Now from your right hip bone, moving your awareness up toward the back of your right rib cage. Pausing at the bottom rib, where your kidney and adrenal gland are. The adrenal gland on the right side is shaped like a pyramid and is sitting on top of the kidney, kind of like a hat. So noticing the presence of your right kidney and adrenal closer to your back. Maybe noticing a little warmth in that area. Maybe noticing a little pulsing through there. And imagining this right kidney and adrenal settling a bit back into your back body. And down towards your feet. And now noticing just the adrenal gland on this right side sitting on top of the kidney. Maybe noticing a little warmth in that area. And maybe noticing a little pulsing through there. And imagining this right adrenal settling a little bit back into your back body and down into the kidney. Inviting a sense of ease and rest. Floating your awareness now to the left kidney and adrenal. The left kidney and adrenal sits a little higher into your rib cage than the right kidney and adrenal. The left adrenal gland is shaped like a half moon and is a little larger and a little heavier than the right adrenal. So sensing into this left kidney and adrenal, sensing into the presence of it. Maybe noticing a little warmth through that area. Maybe noticing a little pulsing through there. And imagining the left kidney and adrenal settling a bit back into your back body and down towards your feet. Nothing to do right now. Just resting and imagining back and down. And now sensing into just the adrenal gland on the left side, sitting on top of the kidney. Maybe noticing a little warmth through that area. And maybe noticing a little pulsing through there. And imagining this left adrenal settling a little bit back into your back body. And down into your kidney. Inviting a sense of ease and rest. Resting longer here will help this practice settle deeper into your body. So now taking 2 full minutes to rest. Thank you for joining me today. Till next time.